Hey my loves, if you would like to see how I got my eyebrows from basic to Betty brows, please keep on watching. I wanted to add this part because my godson was so excited watching his show. But anyways, let's get started. So I took my Got2b glue gel, yes, the yellow one, yeah, I used the yellow one. And I apply a pea size to each brow. And I just really lather my brows with the glue and then brush it up with a spoolie. It can be the back of your pencil or a brush. As you guys can see, I am brushing every bit of my hairs with this glue and taming it with my finger, making sure everything is stick together. And then I'm angling it into the arch I would like my eyebrows to go. Now I'll be taking my Morphe Java pencil, my favorite eyebrow pencil, y'all. It's this for the benefit, and I am starting off with the bottom of my eyebrows. Notice how I start at the bridge of my nose, arching up where my brow bone is a little bit higher and ending where my eye ends. This is how you want to fill in your eyebrows, guys. You want to start lining it before you fill in your eyebrows. It's so much easier. As you guys can see, the Got2b glue gel helped a lot. Like, you don't see my hairs moving. I have an easy base to draw on. So now I am lightly filling in my eyebrows wherever I don't have no hairs, and I barely got brows, y'all. So yes, I was filling it in, and I'm doing the same to this brow. Notice how my brows are two different. That one is way more longer, and then the other one is a little bit more higher than the other one. It's complicated. My eyebrows are sisters. I'm making sure everything look good before I go to conceal. I will be taking my Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Tan Deep Sand. I always take a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than me for my brow bone and then mix my foundation in the front and the top of my eyebrow. I get asked a lot why I use foundation on the top of my eyebrows and like the inner corner of my brows. It's because I want everything to blend perfectly. I'm not into the halo brow. Some people like that look, but I just don't like the look of myself. I don't remember where I got this brush. I think I molded this brush by myself, and this fluffy brush is from a brush pack I got from Shein as well. But yes, guys, so basically I'll just be cleaning up my eyebrows. Another thing, you want to make sure you take your time when you're cleaning up your eyebrows. This is probably the most precise thing ever. Some of my clients, when I do teach them, I don't know why they rush. They be rushing. I'm just sitting there like, where are you guys going? Like, we have time. Notice how I am outlining my brows on top very straight. I'm following the line. I'm giving my eyebrows that look. I love a sharp brow, guys. So make sure if you want a sharp eyebrow, take your time cleaning them up. This is also reasons why I love doing my brows first. I've always been a brow first girl, and I feel like I will always be a brow first girl. The eyebrows last don't really do it for me because I have a certain way I want my brows to look, and this is honestly the easiest way for me. And that is it, guys. This is all that takes to do my brows. My eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters, but they look good for a good old beat, guys. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if this helped you guys. All right, bye, guys.